Assalamu alaikum class 5. I hope you all are good. This is the explanation part 2 of poem A Misspelled Tale. In the first part of explanation, I had explained you the first and second stanza, in which we had studied about a boy who wanted to go outside because of the pleasant weather, sunny day and clear air. So he took the permission of his mother and got ready to go outside to play. At that time, his aunt reminded him to take his new red cart, and she warned him to return home safely and not to lose his way. Let's continue from stanza number 3. Through snowdrifts great, through watery pool, he flew with might and main. Said he, though I would walk by rule, I'm not right, 'tis plain. In the first verse, it's not THREW through, it's THROUGH through and GREAT great. In the second line, FLUE, MITE and MANE. All are wrong words and the correct spellings are FLEW flew, MIGHT might and MAIN main. In the third line, WOOD wood is wrong and the correct spelling is WOULD wood. In the last line, RITE right and TIS plain are wrong and the correct words are RIGHT right and it's plain, PLAIN plain. Let's continue. When the boy went outside, after some time, suddenly the weather changes and heavy snowfall started. So he went through snowdrifts and watery pool. Snowdrifts means amount of snow driven together by the wind. There were snowdrifts and watery pool. That's why the boy flew with full of his strength. यानी वो बच्चा इन सब चीज़ों को फेस करते हुए जा रहा होता है और फिर वो अपने आप में ही सोचता है कि वैसे तो मैं सही रास्ता फॉलो कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन फिर भी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं गलत रास्ते पर हूँ और रास्ता भटक गया हूँ. He became so confused. Let's move towards the fourth stanza. I'd like to meet some kindly soul, for here new dangers wait, and yonder stairs a treacherous hole, too slow has been my gait. In the first verse, MEAT, meet, SUM, some, and SOLE, soul. These three words are wrong, and the correct words are MEET, meet, SOME, some, and SOUL, soul. In the second line, HEAR, here, GNU, new, and WEIGHT, wait, are wrong. The correct words are HERE, here, NEW, new, and WAIT, wait. In the third line, there are two wrong spellings, STAIRS, stairs, and WHOLE, hole. The correct words are STARE, stair, and HOLE, hole. The last line has two wrong spellings, TWO2 and SLOE, slow. The correct spellings are TOO2 and SLOW, slow. In this stanza, the boy wanted to meet any kind soul as he got so confused and he was frightened as well. यानी वो बच्चा इतना कंफ्यूज है कि वो किसी ऐसे काइंड सोल से मिलना चाहता है जो उसकी हेल्प करे. वो ही चाहता है कि मुझे कोई ऐसा इंसान मिल जाए जो मुझे इन डेंजर्स से सेव कर सके, मेरी हेल्प करे. द मीनिंग ऑफ ट्रेकरस इज़ नॉट ट्रस्टेड और डेंजरस. वो ये चाहता है कि जितनी भी डेंजरस थिंग्स उसे वॉच कर रही हैं और उसके रास्ते को स्लो कर रही हैं, उन सब चीज़ों से उसे कोई बचा ले और उसकी हेल्प करने वाला उसे कोई मिल जाए, क्योंकि वो इतना डर के चल रहा है कि उसकी वॉक भी स्लो हो गई है. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दोज ट्रेकरस थिंग्स ही स्टार्टेड टू वॉक स्लोली. दैट्स वाई ही वॉन्टेड टू मीट सम काइंडली सोल. Now let me explain you the fifth stanza. I'm weak and pale, I have missed my road, but here a cart came past, he and his sled were safely towed back to his home at last. In the first verse, 4 spellings are wrong and the correct spellings are WEAK weak, PALE pale, MISSED missed, and ROAD road. The word cart is wrong in the second verse. Its spelling is CART cart. In the third verse, SLED sled and TOAD toad are wrong and the correct words are SLEDGE sledge and TOWED toad. TWO2 is wrong in the last verse and TOO2 is suitable for this line. In this stanza, the boy was telling that he is now weak and he missed his way as well. Suddenly, a cart came there to help him and he finally reached to his home by the help of that kind soul. इस स्टैंजा में वो ये बता रहा है कि अब मैं बहुत वीक हो चुका हूँ. चल चल के ज़ाहिर है एक इंसान थक जाता है और जबकि उसे रास्ता भी नहीं पता तो और ज़्यादा कन्फ्यूजन से और ज़्यादा थक जाता है. डर भी लग रहा था उसे, तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा वीक हो चुका है और अपना रास्ता भी खो चुका हूँ. लेकिन एक कार्ट मेरे पास से गुज़र रही है जिसने मेरी हेल्प करी, मेरी स्लेज को टो करवाया यानी पुल करा और इसकी हेल्प की वजह से मैं फाइनली घर पहुँच गया. This is the end of this poem. Actually, it's a strange poem with words misspelled in a humorous manner. That's all. I hope you all have understood this poem. Thank you so much.